Hello guys, welcome to TelePrime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the types of account. So if we talk about the types of account, guys, there are three basically. First is personal, in which comes the person, company and organizations. The second is real account, in which comes assets and liabilities. The third one is nominal account, and in this nominal account comes all the expense or losses and income or your profits. If I talk about the examples, here are the few. In the personal, you can say any kind of company, limited company, private limited company, any personal account, any corporation, any financial institute will come in the personal account. And if I talk about the real account, as we have discussed, assets and liabilities come. So any kind of asset like cash or bank, land, building, any kind of liability like capital, machinery is a asset, and any kind of loan taken or given, all of these are covered under the real account as assets and the liabilities. And then if I talk about the nominal account, in the nominal account examples, you can see rent, your expense, traveling expense, discounts received, income, salary. So guys, in this video we have discussed what are the types of account. Thank you.